Hello and welcome to this quick look at using the Hummingbird Firmware Burner. This is an easy-to-use utility for switching modes on your Hummingbird. Here I'm going to run you through your options when using the Firmware Burner. Start by making sure your Hummingbird is plugged into your computer and the Hummingbird Firmware Burner has been launched. Out of the box, your Hummingbird board will be set to the first option you see here, Hummingbird USB Tethered Mode. This is the option if you want to use Scratch, Snap, CreateLab Visual Programmer, and other options that require your Hummingbird to be plugged in or tethered to your computer at all times. Next, you have Arduino Mode. This will allow you to download and run a program on your Hummingbird board using Arduino. Once you have a program uploaded to your board, you can use this to detach it and run it wirelessly. You will have to plug it back in with your USB cord to upload new programs in this mode. Lastly for this video, we have the Hummingbird Bluetooth Ready firmware option. Use this option to allow your Hummingbird to work with a Bluetooth module so that it can be used with the BirdBlox tablet app. You can also use the utility to upload custom firmware to the Hummingbird. Before we leave you, let's take a look at setting a board to one of the options, Hummingbird Tethered Mode. Select the option and then press the Reset button on the Hummingbird Duo. The button is located next to the USB connector on the bottom side of the board. Once Reset is pressed, the firmware burner will load the program on the Hummingbird Duo that converts the Duo back to Hummingbird mode. Once the Duo is in Hummingbird mode, the Hummingbird firmware burner will display this message. Once you hit OK, the status message will change as well. And that wraps up this look at the Hummingbird Firmware Burner. Check out our website for additional tutorials and info.